Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shotcut for keyframe animation in Smooth Cuts detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate keyframe animation in Shotcut, launch the application on your computer. Open a new or existing project. Import your video or audio files into the playlist. Drag your desired clip onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline that you wish to animate. Navigate to the Filters panel located on the left. Click on the plus icon to add a new filter. Scroll to find the Keyframes option. Click on Keyframes to enable keyframe animation. You will now see a keyframe timeline below your clip. To create your first keyframe, position the playhead at the desired starting point. Adjust the properties you want to animate in the Filters panel. Click the diamond-shaped icon to add the first keyframe. Move the playhead to a new position in the timeline. Make your desired adjustments to the clip's properties. Click the diamond icon again to set the second keyframe. Repeat these steps to create additional keyframes as needed. To achieve smooth cuts in your project, select the cuts you want to edit. Right-click on the cut and select Split at Playhead. Select one of the split clips. Go to the Filters panel to add transition effects. You can choose fade, dissolve or any other desired effect. Adjust the duration of the transition as needed. Repeat for all cuts to create a smooth flow in your video. Once your animation and cuts are set, review your timeline for adjustments. Preview your project to ensure everything flows smoothly. Finally, export your video in the desired format to finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.